Hello beautiful people, so today we're doing our eyebrow. So I'll be using the Anastasia Ride or Die Duo. I started by using the primer or the mascara stuff. It basically holds your eyebrows in place, especially if you have a coily eyebrow. Then I go in by outlining my eyebrows first. If you notice, I didn't put any product inside. It would always be recommended to outline your eyebrows first to get the shape. So this is what I'm currently doing. It's really soft and I really like the color. It's not like harsh or anything, and it just slides on smoothly on your eyebrows. It gives it like this really natural look that I like. Then I go in with this type of brush. I really wanted you guys to see the type of brush I'm going in with. Underneath my eyebrows, I currently use the NARS foundation in a dark stroke medium number 4. I'll put down the name. I think it's called a Mako Sheer Glow. I'm not sure, but yes, that's what I use. It's a tiny bit lighter than my skin tone. It was gifted to me by my friend and I didn't want to waste the product, so why not just use that to put on your eyebrow to highlight it. And I actually like it. It's like foolproof. If you notice, once I put it on, it looks really natural and it just blends well. Like, wow. I mean, if you can't use it for my face, I can use it for my eyes. You got my gist? That's what I'm doing right now. I use the leftover product on my eyelids as well. Then I always go back in to brush it. So now to conceal the upper top of my eyebrows, I use my Fit Me foundation in the shade 355 Coconut because I saw a picture of mine and I noticed I had hollow eyebrows or whatever they call it. So I decided to play safe by using my foundation to match my eyebrows. And I think it's way easier and it requires lesser blending time. Then I go in with this darker eyebrow pencil to just make the arc look better on that eyebrow and this on this eyebrow as well. If you notice, I didn't actually put any product inside my eyebrow, like in within the outlined spots. This is because I actually do have full eyebrows and I think they're good the way they are, and I don't want them to look really dark. Then I just use my blending brush and this is the end. Simple, easy, flawless, like yes girl, yes, give them glow, yes, and every other ooh girl, okay. You know, this is what they do in ads. Someone should sign me up, okay? So this is the finished look. I have a video coming up on that. Thank you and have a good day.